Marcus, what can we expect from Siemens at SPS this year?
Hi, Kevin. So great to be here. SPS is for sure the most exciting time for an automation guy here, especially in Europe. Obviously, there's lots to achieve for every market player in terms of getting more productive, faster, and also more efficient, but also more sustainable. So we will have a tremendous amount of very close to reality discussions. And well, what can people expect from Siemens here? We are giving the complete overview of how to get better in the fields, to electrify your production, to design faster, more efficient your machines and the production line, also to bring it into real life in a very fast and transparent way, and then on the basis of the data of connected machines, optimizing the production line. And we are showing our boosted TIA portfolio, which has received a tremendous performance update over the last years, but also showing how Siemens Accelerator Industrial Operations X is the field of activities we are in the digital industries field, accelerate the digital transformation of our customers in achieving their goals.
Now, looking at your entire program on at the show with the demos, you have the whole stage program. People can join online as well. Obviously, everything AI, Gen AI, and particularly industrial AI is a key theme for you. Now, are there any specific examples or products that you'll be showing there, to your point of making it real? It's not just a research project, but something customers can use today.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we always stated that we want to be the ones who make AI industrial grade. And we show lots of such very practical examples, starting from making AI really easy to use. I mean, this is a real challenge for OT people. We are showing the inspector case, sorting battery cells based on machine vision detection. And this is a system which makes AI available for everyone within a shortest setup time. So doesn't require any AI expertise in the background. But we are also going a step further in securing 24/7 operations of AI models in environments which are changing permanently, because you as an AI experienced person know that parameters of AI models sometimes need to be adapted in order to be continuous. So we are showing an industrial AI suite, making that whole circular AI management process visible and manageable. And of course, in the field of Gen AI, copilots are a very big issue and a very big lever we are bringing to the table. And we have in our TIA portal the copilot for engineering already integrated in the product, getting better and better in making engineering faster, but also freeing up the time of engineers, releasing them from repetitive tasks, which is, by the way, also increasing the fun and the attractiveness of the companies as employer. Very important at the moment. And of course, the copilot for operations, asking directly machines how they feel, how you can maintain and support the machine to stay on highest performance level during the runtime of operations, is a crucial thing. And here we've got a great partnership with Microsoft and ThyssenKrupp in order to boost their application of ThyssenKrupp to the highest level.
Now, knowing how you approach the whole sustainable digital enterprise and the different pillars, you mentioned OT, operational technology. And obviously, when it comes to training industrial AI and co-pilots, having good data is key, right? And that you trust and is valuable. So how does that whole IT-OT integration evolve? I've seen a lot of stuff at Hannover Messe, but as you say, you keep pushing the boundaries here.
Yeah, correct. And, maybe let's start from the perspective, just setting up grabbing some data from one single machine and making something out of the data might not be that difficult. And this is why also proof of concepts around AI is spread out pretty quickly. I think in OT, the real challenge comes in when the data is coming from multiple areas in the production line and the complexity rises. It's coming from different machines, from different vendors, and the customers need to get, let's say, get into the position to manage that complexity. So standardization of machine connectivity, for example, is one big issue where we are working a lot with OPC, UA, companion specs, making it easier for customers, but also then going to the semantic layer of the information, bringing semantics into the data, which brings meaning to the data. Once you've got meaning of the data, it's easier to deal with the data and to make benefits out of data analytics. So standardization coming from, let's say, the shop floor, standardizing the acquisition of data, but also standardizing the meaningfulness of data. This is something where we are having tremendous impact, and this is what we are discussing with lots of our customers.
Now, I had the opportunity to visit Amberg facility and Erlangen earlier in the year, both lighthouse factories right now. And to see kind of the stuff that you show at the shows in the real world, in your production factories, and how you stitch it together is quite fascinating. Now, for folks that will be at SPS, obviously drop by the Siemens booth. But for folks that aren't there, you have you're broadcasting your entire stage program. There's LinkedIn Lives. It's very accessible for folks, right?
Yes, correct. And it's also easy to register for that. And we are making our whole stage program available online. And this is around all kinds of innovations. And I mean, it's pretty easy to select one area of interest and watch the interesting recordings. And live stream and recordings, of course. And at the end, it's the proof points our customers and partners give us to what we are doing. So it's not only Siemens telling the world that we are cool guys, but it's like having a dialogue on stage with partners and customers about how the impact of that customers' perspectives are benefiting of the collaboration they are doing with us. So we are always very proud about what we are bringing on stage at the fair.
So Marcus, is there anything you're personally looking forward to at SPS this year?
Well, I expect 2 student groups initiated from my private environment, and this was being extended to bring the whole group of those students. And my feeling is that those young people are so into IT and AI related automation tasks that this is for me one real highlight, because they addressed me actively. Because they recognize Siemens as the major player in shaping this future. And it couldn't be a better compliment for me as a Siemens employee that young people pick Siemens as the first reference to get their information. I really love that.
No, that's excellent, because, hey, we all keep talking about where are we getting the next generation of the workforce, where are we getting the new ideas from, and these are the people that will be bringing those, right? So, hey, cool. Well, it's going to be a busy week for ye at SPS. So, hey, I wish you well.
Thank you very much.